الله أكبر. الله أكبر.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello my dear brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we want to talk about some questions about the topic we explained on the previous session, which were times of salat. The first question is, you have to remember this. If you want to travel from point A to the point B, and you prayed your salat at the city A, and you flew from the point A to the point B, and when you reach to the point B, it hasn't been the time of salat of Dhuhr. For example, you prayed your noon prayer at the city A, and when you reached to the city B, it's not the time of noon prayer yet. So it says it's not necessary, and you don't have to pray again the prayer you just did in the city A. And also, if there is still time, you don't have to do your prayer again just because your horizon has changed. The next question says, if you start your flight after the sunrise, which we know is the time you already missed your dawn prayer. So it says, I have missed my dawn prayer, and I starting my trip by an airplane to a city, which when I get there, there is still time for me to say my prayer. It says, you can and you have to do your prayer on the second city because there's still time for you to do your dawn prayer. And also, you have to do that with the intention of a regular salat, a regular prayer. It's not a redo salat. It's not a redo prayer. It looks like that you haven't missed your prayer at the first place. You're doing it as a regular prayer. The next question says, if you haven't prayed your, for example, Dhuhr salat, your noon prayer, and you've missed it, and you start your flight, and when you go up to the sky, you see the sun from up there. So in this situation, you have to start your prayer right away on the airplane, because now you can see the sun, and it's like you've never missed your prayer. You have to do your salat, do your prayer on the airplane. And the next one is very common, that you want to get up on a flight which when you land, your prayer, for example, your dawn prayer would be missed, and you don't have time to do your prayer before and after the flight. So because of this, you have to attend your prayer right on the airplane. After you got into the airplane, you have to do your prayer in the airplane. And the last one says, in prayers like Maghrib and Isha, evening and night prayer, which you can do both salat in a period of time, you cannot switch their places. You cannot do the night salat and then do the evening salat. You have to do your Maghrib, your evening prayer first, and after it was finished, you can start your Isha or night salat. This is the last point of this session, inshallah. We will see you on the other sessions. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.